Late last night, I received a phone call from my school alerting us that we were going to have a snow day today. And indeed, it is snowing. And unfortunately, the last few days of my break, I have been really sick and in bed. But despite that, I still need to go do the chores. So let's go see how much snow has fallen and the excitement of the animals when they get to romp in it. Thankfully, my kids were with me when I was sick, so they were able to help me out around the house. Shake, good boy. And Lucky really wants to go play in the snow, but the other dogs don't really get along with him, so we have to separate them. So he can't come out with me right now, but I promise I'll take you out, buddy. I promise I'll take you out. Look at the puppy dog eyes. I know. So it's time to get suited up. I'm in the laundry room, so it's a little noisy, and I have to borrow my son's overalls, but please don't tell him. They work out when he's not here. I get to borrow them, and they're so warm. Durable. All right, overalls on. Feel so unprepared for this first big snow. I can't find my hats, my scarves, my gloves. Getting there. I have to take the puppy out first. I can't go that fast! Found herself a warm spot in the straw. Hi. Let's feed the sheeps. Let's feed the sheep. Hi. Hi, you have some, but let's give you some more. There you go. Fresh straw. Hi, buddy. Let's check if any of the... Hi, Patches. Let's check if any of the birds are outside. No birds outside. The birds typically don't like hanging out in the snow. They will eventually come out, but that initial shock, I think, keeps them in the coop. Hey guys, did you have fun in the snow? Look, it's hot when you're working in the barn and you have a lot of layers on. This snow is so fun for the dogs. Where are you guys? I don't know how much more snow we're supposed to get. We were either going to get it or not get it, so you never know. In Wisconsin, you never know. Let me show you how deep it is so far. I'd say maybe 6 inches. Maybe 6 inches, guys. They predicted 6 to 12, so it's a snowy, beautiful wonderland. I got quite a workout walking through the snow to the barn because it's about shin high on my legs, and I had to clean out some of the chicken coops so that the cooped up chickens because they don't want to go in the snow. The cooped up chickens and guineas and the geese had some nice bedding that they could lounge in. If you joined us in today's journey, we are sending much love, much positivity. We continue to pray for world peace. If this storm has impacted you in any shape or form, be it snow, tornadoes, it caused a lot of havoc throughout the United States, stay safe, and we are thinking of you, and we'll catch you for the next adventure. Take care, bye-bye. And as promised, I let Lucky go play in the backyard in the snow, and he headed straight for the dogs, and they played chase for a while, and then he'll romp around in the snow and have fun. Take care.